Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous video we have discussed from question number 1 to question number 7 of exercise 7b. Now in today's class, let's start with the question number 8. Question number 8 is the denominator of a fraction is 3 more than the numerator. Okay, जो denominator है that is 3 more than the numerator. So let the numerator of the fraction be x. Then they said denominator is 3 more, right? So denominator of fraction will be 3 more than this numerator, right? 3 more than this numerator. Now they said if 5 is added to both the part of the resulting fraction, ये जो resulting fraction आएगा, what will be the fraction? Numerator upon denominator. Numerator is x and denominator is x plus 3, right? They said if 5 is added to both the part of the resulting fraction, if we add in both the part of this resulting fraction 5, then it becomes 4 upon 5. So ये किसके equal हो जाता है? 4 upon 5. Find the fraction. They are asking to find this fraction. So first of all, this is x plus 5 upon x plus 5 plus 3, 8 is equals to 4 upon 5. Cross multiply. 5 multiply x plus 5 is equals to 4 multiply x plus 8. Distributive property, 5 multiply x, 5x plus 5 multiply 5, 25 is equals to 4 multiply x, 4x plus 4 8s are 32. Now keep the terms having variable to the left and constant to the right. So 5x minus 4x is equals to 32 minus 25. So x is equals to 32 minus 5 is 7. And what was x? X was numerator. So numerator is 7. Denominator is x plus 3, right? X plus 3 means 7 plus 3, it means 10. So fraction is equals to numerator 7 upon denominator 10. So this is your answer. Next question, question number 9 is the difference between two positive integers is 50 and the ratio of these integers is 1:3. Find the integers. So they have given the ratio which is 1:3. So let the first integer be 1x and second integer be 3x, right? Now they said their difference, right? Difference they have given 50. Now how do you find the difference? By subtracting the numbers. So from the greater 3x subtract 1x and the difference is equals to 50. Now solve it. 3x minus 1x is 2x is equals to 50. 2x means 2 multiply x. So move this 2 to the another side. After moving to the another side, this will be in division. That means in denominator. So this is equals to 25. X is equals to 25. In the question they were asking to find the integers. So first integer is 1x. It means 1 multiply x is 25. 25. Second integer was 3x. So 3 into x is 25 which is equals to 75, right? So these were two integers whose difference is 50. This is your answer. Next question number 10. The sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 7. First of all, you need to understand how we can write two-digit number. For example, if you have 25, you can write it as 5 plus 2 into 10, right? That means जो वंस प्लेस पर डिजिट है उसको प्लस करते हैं 10 मल्टीप्लाई डिजिट एट टेंथ प्लेस, यही करते हैं. सो लेट द डिजिट एट वंस प्लेस इज x and the digit at tens place is y. So this can be written as 10y plus x. उसको 10y plus x लिख सकते हैं. So let the number be 10y plus x. मान लेते हैं नंबर क्या है, 10y plus x है. And the digit at tens place is y and digit at ones place is x. Ones place x and tens place y. Then they said the sum of the digit of a two-digit number is 7. सिर्फ इनकी जो digit हैं उनका sum कितना है, 7, right? And in mathematically, in equation we can write it as sum of the digit, जो ones place पर digit है, जो tens place पर digit है, उनका sum किसके equal है, 7 के equal है, right? Next they said the number obtained by interchanging the digits. नंबर कैसे ऑब्टेन होगा, सपोज दिस वॉज 25, राइट? इट मीन्स 10 मल्टीप्लाई 2 प्लस 5. अगर हम प्लस 5 अगर हम डिजिट को इंटरचेंज कर दें तो 25 विल बिकम 52. जो वंस प्लेस पर डिजिट थी उसको टेंस प्लेस पर लिखा एंड जो टेंस प्लेस पर डिजिट थी उसको वंस प्लेस पर लिखा, राइट? सो दिस सेड नंबर ऑब्टेन बाय इंटरचेंजिंग द डिजिट. जो ये नंबर था उसमें डिजिट को इंटरचेंज कर देते हैं. नाउ y विल बी एट वंस प्लेस एंड x विल बी एट टेंस प्लेस. सो नाउ द नंबर विल बी 10x प्लस y. दे सेड नंबर ऑब्टेन बाय इंटरचेंजिंग द डिजिट एक्सीड्स द ओरिजिनल बाय 27. मतलब जो हमें ये नंबर मिला है इंटरचेंज करने के बाद ये एक्सीड करता है ओरिजिनल को बाय 27. मतलब ये ओरिजिनल नंबर से 27 ग्रेटर है. Clear? It means the difference should be 27. So if we subtract them, what do we get? 27. So subtract them. 10x plus y, जो नंबर एक्सीड कर रहा है वो लिखेंगे पहले, माइनस 10y plus x is equals to, किसकी इक्वल आएगा, 27. ओपन द ब्रैकेट, 10x plus y, minus sign is outside the bracket, sign of these terms will be changed, minus 10y minus x, right, is equals to 27. 10x minus x, 9x. 10y and y both are of different sign, 9y, but sign will be of greater number which is minus, is equals to 27. Now from these two you can take 9 common, x minus y is equals to 27. So x minus y is equals to 27 by 9, because here this was in multiplication. 9 3s are 27. So x minus y is equals to 3. One equation was this, x plus y is equals to 7. Second equation is this, x minus y is equals to 3, right? Now to find the value of x and y, we will add these two equations. So add them, x plus y is equals to 7, x minus y is equals to 3. Cancel out, x plus x, 2x is equals to 10. So x is equals to 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. So x is equals to 5, right? This is the value of x. अगर इस वैल्यू को इस फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में पुट कर देते हैं, पुट x is equals to 5 in equation 1, then x means 5 plus y is equals to 7. Y is equals to, move this to the another side, 7 minus 5, so y is equals to 2, right? This is the value of x and this is the value of y. In the equation they were asking to find the number. It means the original number was 10y plus x. So we will find the value of 10y plus x. The number is 10y plus x, put x is equals to 5, y is equals to 2, right? So 10 into 2 plus 5, 10 2s are 20 plus 5, 25. So this was the number and this is your answer. Next question is question number 11. Sushma is now 15-year older than Vijay. Sushma 15-year older है विजय से, right? So let the Vijay age be x. Sushma's age will be x plus 15 because she is 15-year older than Vijay, right? But in 3 more years के बाद she will be, that means Sushma will be 8 times as old as Vijay was 3 years ago. मतलब 3 साल के बाद सुषमा की जो एज हो जाएगी, सुषमा की एज आफ्टर 3 years विल बी, जो अब एज है उससे 3 years ग्रेटर हो जाएगी. 3 years more, after 3 years her age will be 8 times, 8 multiply as old as Vijay was 3 years ago. It means 3 years पहले जो विजय की एज थी उसके 8 times हो जाएगा. So 3 years ago Vijay's age will be x minus 3. अगर आज x है so 3 years ago it means 3 years before विजय की एज 3 कम होगी. So we have subtracted 3 here. Now simply solve this equation. X plus 15 plus 3 is 18 is equals to distributive property 8 multiply x 8x, 8 multiply minus 3 minus 24. Now move the terms having variable to the left and constant to the right. X minus 8x is equals to minus 24 minus 18. Both are of different signs, so these will be subtracted. 8 minus 1x, 7x, and sign will be of negative is equals to, both are of same sign, so these will be added. Add them, it will become 42 and this will be of minus sign. Now minus 7x means minus 7 multiply x, so x is equals to minus 42 upon minus 7. Minus to minus cancel out, 7 6 are 42. So x is equals to 6. And what was x? Vijay's age, right? और age को हम किस में consider करते हैं? In years, right? So Vijay's age 6 years. Sushma's age was 15 more than Vijay. X plus 15, right? So 6 plus 15 years, right? 6 plus 15 is 21 years, right? So this is the present age of Vijay and this is the present age of Sushma. This is your answer. Next question, question number 12. Sanjay is now 1.5 as old as his brother. Sanjay की age किसके respect में given है? His brother, right? So let the Sanjay's brother age be x. Now Sanjay's age will be half of x. It means x upon 2, right? In 6 more years, he will be 3 upon 5 as old as his brother then. मतलब 6 year के बाद जो भी संजय की एज होगी वो 3/5 हो जाएगी उनके ब्रदर की एज की. ठीक है? So after 6 years, Sanjay's age will be x upon 2 plus 6. जो आज एज है उससे 6 ग्रेटर हो जाएगी, right? And after 6 years, Sanjay's brother age will be x plus 6, right? Brother की age x plus 6 हो जाएगी and Sanjay's age will be x upon 2 plus 6. They said in 6 more years, he will be 3/5 as old as his brother then. 6 years के बाद जो संजय की age है that will become 3/5 of Sanjay's brother age at that time, right? So this is we have written in the form of equation. Now simply solve it. X upon 2 plus 6 is equals to distributive property. So 3x upon 5 plus multiply this 3 upon 5 by the 6. 3 6 are 18 upon 5. Right? Now move the terms having variable to the left and constant to the right. X upon 2 minus 3x upon 5 is equals to 18 upon 5 minus 6. Denominators are different, so take the LCM of these denominators. LCM will be 10. To make this 10, with which number you will multiply it? 5. So multiply this also by 5. So x multiply 5 minus, to make this 10 you will multiply it by 2. So multiply this also by 2. 3x multiply 2 is equals to, we can write 1 here. LCM of denominator will be 5. This is already 5, so no need to multiply with any number. Minus, to make this 5 you will multiply it by 5. So multiply numerator also by 5. 6 5s are 30, right? So this will be 5x minus 2 3s are 6x upon 10 is equals to 18 minus 5 6 are 30 upon 5. Clear? 6 and 5x both are of different signs, so subtract it. 1x and sign will be a greater numeral, which is minus upon 10 is equals to 18 and 30 both are of different signs, so these will be subtracted. So subtract 30 minus 18 is 12 and sign will be of greater numeral, which is minus upon 5. Now you want to find the value of this x, so move this to the right side and this to the right side, right? Now here this 10 is in denominator now, that means in division. So after moving to the another side, this will be multiplication. Here this minus 1 was in multiplication. After moving to the another side, this will be in division, that means in denominator. Denominator में चला जाएगा. Clear? So x is equals to 12 ones are 12, 0 of minus sign, 5 ones are 5 of minus sign. Minus to minus cancel out. So 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20. X is equals to 24. So Sanjay's brother age was X. It means 24 years. Sanjay's age was x by 2, right? Half थी संजय की एज से. So 24 by 2 means 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 is equals to 12 years. Right? So Sanjay's brother age is 24 and Sanjay's age is 12. Next is question number 13. If the area is this 3x centimeter square, make an equation and find x. In this figure, they also have given this length and this width. So length of rectangle, we denoted by L, is equals to x minus 5 centimeter. Breadth of rectangle B is equals to 8 centimeter. We know the formula of area. Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth, right? Area they have given 3x centimeter square. You can just write 3x is equals to length is x minus 5 and breadth is 8, right? Now this is distributive property, multiply this by x and by 5. 3x is equals to 8x minus 8 5s are 40. Move the term having variable to the left. 3x minus 8x is equals to minus 40. Both are of different signs, so these will be subtracted. 8 minus 3, 5x, and sign will be a greater number, which is minus 40. So minus 5x means minus 5 multiply x. So x is equals to minus 40 divided by minus 5. Minus to minus cancel out. 5 8s are 40. So x is equals to 8. Right? So this is your answer. Now in the second part, they have given perimeter, which is 40 centimeter, and they are asking to make the equation and find the value of x. Again, length and breadth we have. Length and breadth तो हमारे पास already है, right? In B part, we will use the formula of perimeter because they have given perimeter is equals to 40 centimeter, right? So perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus breadth, right? So perimeter is 40 is equals to 2 into length is, what is length? So x minus 5, right? Length is x minus 5. We have two terms here, so we will enclose it into the square bracket, right? Plus breadth is 8. Now 40 is equals to, first of all you will solve the inner bracket, x minus 5 plus 8. So 40 is equals to 2 into x plus minus sign different है, so these will be subtracted. 8 minus 5 3, and this will be a plus sign, right? Now we have 40 is equals to 2 into x plus 3. Use distributive property here. 40 is equals to 2 into x, 2x plus 2 3s are 6. This can also be written as 2x plus 6 is equals to 40, right? अगर मैं लिखूँ x is equals to 5 and 5 is equals to x, दोनों सेम ही हैं, right? Now move this constant term to the right. 2x is equals to 40 minus 6. 2x is equals to 34. X is equals to 34 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, right? So x is equals to 17. This is your answer. In the question, they were asking the value of x. So students, today we have discussed from question number 8 to question number 13. Remaining questions have been deleted. You can practice those questions yourself and you can ask your doubt. In next class, we will start the next chapter. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.